Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jen here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. So this is a recipe that I've been trying for quite a long time. I know it's not lockdown anymore where everyone kept making banana bread, but I thought let me just show you how I make my recipe. This is a really easy recipe if you just want to take it to a barbecue or you just want to make it because you fancy it. I'm personally making because I just craved it, and it's just really simple. You just mix everything together, chuck it in the oven, and that's it, done. So first things first, you're going to need your bananas to be ripe. This is really important if you want the bread to be really sweet and delicious. And for this recipe, I'm going to be showing you the amount that I've used to make one small banana bread. So if you wanted to make a bigger one, you just need to double it up. Mine is around 4 servings. So you just need to double up the recipes if you want a bigger one. And you will also need one of these, so one of these 2-pound loaf tins, and you can make the small one in there, or if you double it up you can also make it in there and it fits just fine. There's no mixer needed for this recipe. All you will need is a mixing bowl and a wooden spoon, and you'll need to preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius in a fan oven, or if you have a gas one, you'll be gas 4. And on that note, let's jump right in. So the ingredients are 70 grams of butter plus extra for the tin. You then will need 70 grams of caster sugar, 70 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 very ripe mashed banana, 1 beaten egg, and this is optional, but I add a whole bar of Galaxy chocolate, around 100 grams, and I also add chopped nuts into the mixture, about 20 grams. You can either chop your own or buy them chopped from the store. I personally think it makes the bread so much more special and gooey on the inside. Now for the icing. Again, this recipe is very versatile. You can do this step or you can skip it if you're not a fan of icing. I personally love icing, especially after it dries a little on top. So for the icing, you'll simply need 50 grams of icing sugar and a bit of water. 1 or 2 tablespoons of water will do, depending on how runny you want it. Then to finish it off, I like adding around 10 grams of flaked almonds to decorate and give it a bit of a crunch. So now that we got our ingredients sorted and I've buttered my tin, we can crack on with making the banana bread. I start by adding the butter and sugar to the mixing bowl and stir them together until they're light and fluffy. I then slowly add the beaten egg and some of the flour to the mixture and stir. After that, I fold in the remaining flour, the baking powder, the mashed banana, and I stir again. Lastly, I add half of the chocolate and all the chopped nuts to the mixture. Stir it together and then I pour the mixture into the loaf tin and sprinkle the remainder of the chocolate on top. I then put the tin in the preheated oven and bake the banana bread for around 50 minutes until cooked through. You can test this by inserting a skewer or a fork in the center of it, and if the fork comes out clean, it means it's cooked. I then wait for the bread to cool down, transfer it onto a board, and begin to decorate with the icing and almonds. And this is how it turned out. There's a small section with no icing for those that don't like it in my house. And that's everything, guys. I cut myself a piece to have with my coffee and sit down to watch Love Island. And not to toot my own horn, This was so delicious and crunchy, and it was so easy to make. Something you can sort of leave in the oven and go off to do something else for 15 minutes. And that's pretty much it, everyone. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, as well as hit the subscription bell so you don't miss my next videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!